We're standing on a cliff right now, and all the.
Alright, so now it's our second day being here, and I just woke up, but we'll probably go riding sometime soon today. But for now, let's go out for a quick little cruise on the longboards. Alright, so it's a little bit later now, and I'm gonna throw my gear on, and we're gonna go out for a little ride. So, let's go to GoPro footage.
It's pretty cool up here. You try it, Willie? Oh, it's so bad. Alright, well I don't know where the people behind me went, but people in front of me are way up there, so now we gotta catch up big time. Oh, I see him. But anyway, now we gotta catch up. Oh my gosh. I forgot how slick hardback is. It's so slick. There's the car. Peter drove to the biggest mud puddle. Oh my gosh. Look at him, he's got a flat tire, his bike is covered in mud. He just doesn't care. What'd you do that for? Look at this view. Just gonna see how far I can go with my bike off. Oh, we're gonna get some speed through here. Oh yeah. This little bunny hop. Going fast now. Woo! Ain't gonna make it on this hill. I'm gonna bump jump it, bump start it. Oh, okay, ready? Yeah!
Alright, so we're back now. It was a pretty fun ride, other than we weren't really on to like actual trails or something, but maybe tonight or tomorrow we'll go on another ride and hopefully find some actual good trails and maybe some jumps if we can find them. I know the Red Bull Rampage site is somewhere around here, so maybe we'll go find that. That'd be kind of cool. But for now, I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to make some lunch. Alright, so now it's like late afternoon and we're getting a little bored, so we're gonna go mess around in the river. I'm gonna have the older GoPro with the waterproof case on, so sorry the audio won't be very good, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Look how cold it is. Oh, that's cold. Just gonna sit out here on this rock, you know, get some good shots. Alright, so it's a little bit later in the day and I just threw all my gear on, so we're going to take the dirt bikes out and go out for a little evening cruise.
Let's try a slow wheelie. Not too bad. We're just kind of cruising, like kind of waiting for them, so let's try another slow wheelie. There we go. Alright, let's see if it's still in decent condition. Yeah, I think we could jump that. Just jump it flat land. Oh my gosh.
That scared me.
Were you sitting down when you took off?
What?
Were you sitting down when you took off?
Yeah.
You need to be standing there, you just nosedive. I think it would be better just to jump this. I'm gonna try it. I got the better lip. Doesn't really take you like a nosedive. Alright guys, this will probably be the last clip here, then we'll try to go somewhere else, or we'll just cruise back. Oh my... Okay, so now we're gonna ride over to the Red Bull Rampage site. If you don't know what that is, then definitely look it up because it's super sick, but we're gonna head over to that site real quick and see if we can see some of the trails. If we make it there in time, it's getting a little dark. up here. What about this jump? Might be. Wow. Alright, we're almost there. I can see some of the shells coming down off the ridges. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't think we're really hiking it today because it's pretty late, but you gotta check them out a little bit. This is crazy. They like start all the way up there and you can see all the like trails and landings coming down here. Yeah, this little few jumps right here. Other than these being like 20 times too big for me and a million times too scary for me, these look really fun.
No, we're standing on a cliff right now, and all the way down there is climbing.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
That's what you're gonna do if you're not there. Seriously, someone's gonna be dead. Someone will be dead down there one day.
No, wait, look. They have to drop that, then jump over that little gap, and then hit it. So it's like they barely get any run up at all. Alright, well that was freaking crazy. They look so much worse. I mean, they look so much easier on camera, but I mean, obviously I know that camera makes everything look small. By the way, those are mountain bikes, not dirt bikes. Anyway, we're heading back now. Woo! Look at the view. Oh, look how those cliffs are like glowing pink. That is sick.